Aneng 681, it is a CATIII 600V, 6000 count LCD skin multimeter. It built-in LIM battery 3.7V. Test pen CATIII 1000V, 82cm, silicon cable, 20M, gold test tip, and 4mm pump. It have APO function. When no signal in 15 minutes, may be auto power off. DC watt is a 0.8W to 1000W. AC watt is a 0.8W to 750W. AC and DCM 1 mA to 10A. Resistor ring is a 0.1 to 60 MΩ. Capacitor is a 0.01 nF to 100 MF. Die output voltage is a 3.2W. Continuity less than 50 may be sung on. Temperature range is a -40 to 1000 degrees C. Frequency range is a 0.001 Hz to 999.9 kHz. It has data hold, touch, NCV, and live hot wire check function. It comes with a chip temperature sensor. A pair of test leads. A USB-A to Type-C cable. Okay, let's see the user menu. Meter function explain. Come with chip temperature sensor. It CATIII sensor. And Type C USB charge cable. And a silicone cable test pen. It's very soft of the cable. And you 4mm plug, normal 4mm plug. And CATIII 1000V 20M test pen. It comes with a very sharp test tip. It go pad of the test pen and have CE and double insulation and 20M. Okay. Let's see the meter. The meter at the top left side, they have a power on switch. Let power on the meter. There is a LCD screen multimeter. At the top, there has a NCV antenna and the torch at the top. And the right side, they have a select key, function key at the top, a hold key and top open on off key, and a capacity function select key. At the bottom is a input jack. In the middle is a common, and right side is a normal input jack, DC, AC, and the capacity and die test function and temperature sensor function input jack. At the left side, there is a milliamp and current amp input jack, and no any coke at the downside of the meter. Okay, let's see the meter. In normal, its display is auto, and put the select key, maybe change the mode. Now it's die mode. Put again, maybe resistor and continuity mode. Put again, maybe the NCV mode. EF come out. And put again, maybe the light hot wire check mode. Light hot wire. And put again, maybe the temperature mode. Put again is a Fahrenheit. And put again, maybe the frequency display mode and the duty cycle. And put again, maybe in return to the auto mode. And the middle is a hold key and top. One part is in hold. Put again, maybe disable the hold. And long part, maybe the top. And the backlight on. Of this meter, backlight on. In the top. Put again, long part again, maybe close off. And the downside, there has a capacity mode select. Let's put again. That is the select to the capacity mode. Now display capacitor. Now is the home temperature. Okay, let's test the meter. This meter USB charging port in the back side. they have a mini cover. When you open the cover, they maybe have a charge port inside. Use the charge cable Type-C charger, Type-C port, and put in this one, maybe charge the meter. Okay, let's test the meter. And USB charge test. When charging, they have a red light come out, and normal charging current is about 0.4 amp. Now charging, waiting for finish. And when finished charging, the LED maybe come to green. Okay, next test. Weapon DC voltage test. Now 2.5 watt. It shows 2.500 watt. 5 watt. It shows 5.000 watt. 7.5 watt. It shows 7.49 watt. 10 watt. It shows 9.99 watt. And this meter only auto mode of DC voltage test. Okay, next test. Normal AC voltage test. It shows 222.4 and a little bit over fluctuating. Okay, next test. And let's compare the meter. There is a 621A. There is a 681. Power on the meter. Now power on the meter. And select to the NCV mode first. Now it's in NCV mode of this meter. And let's compare the size of this meter. There is a little bit bigger than the 621A. And this meter not color. And fixed LED of this meter. And longer than this one. Okay. Let's compare the meter, the NCV. The 621A maybe in 1 cm maybe have a 1 bar. Touch is a 2 bar. And this meter also 1 cm have a 1 bar. In yellow, low. And touch maybe have a 2 bar. And no the 3 bar come out. Now 2 bar. Also in low. And let's see testing the cable. We send the hot wire. They have two bars come out. Its density is a weight of this meter. Okay, next test. And light hot wire test. Normal use the wet test lead for testing. Now see it. It must be select the function to the light hot wire. Now it's a NCV. Now it's a light hot wire. And testing it. Neutral 1B. F no. It have a high and a full bar come out and a B sound. Okay. And now use the back test lead testing. Neutral no. F1B. And the hot wire. You see it? They have a bar come out. One B. It must be touch the hot wire for time for notice the real hot wire. Now in high. Okay, that is the hot wire. Okay, next test. Resistor test. Test lead short. Test is 10 to 0. And now test the 0.5 ohm. It shows 0.4 ohm. 1 ohm. It shows 0.9 ohm. 10 ohm. It shows 10 ohm. Okay. 20K. It shows 20.03 or 4K. 2 met. It shows 2 met. 22.3 met. It shows 22.54 met. 42.93 met. It shows. It over. Okay. And next test. Continuity mode test. Now is in auto mode. It handles 0. It about 75 dB come out. And let's see the latching. Far. No any response or B sound come out. 1, 2, 3, 4. It about 4 seconds maybe have a B sound. In auto mode. Now select to the menu mode. Now die mode. Now continuity mode. And let's see the latching. Short test lead first. It about 75 dB come out. And let's see the latching. It can have a B sound. And no any reading come out. 1, 2. It must be have a 2 second maybe display the reading. And let's see the resistor test. 0.5 ohm. It shows 0.5 or 6. 1 ohm. It shows 1 ohm. 10 ohm. ISO 10.2 and 507 ohm. ISO 507 ohm. Very accuracy. And let's see the max resistor. The max resistor also about 600 ohm. 599.8. Okay. Next test. Auto mode check. You can automatic test AC voltage, DC voltage, and resistor. Now AC. ISO 222.3 watt. DC. ISO 9.18 watt. And resistor. And ISO 0.6 ohm near the reading. Okay, next test. Capacitor. You can plug this switch to the capacitor test function. Now it's in capacitor test function. And let's see the minimum. It's 10 mF. Discharge it. And test the reading. ISO 10.6 mF. Okay. And let's see the capacitor of 1000 mF. Discharge it. And ISO 1.047 megafarad. Need a reading. And let's see a bigger one. A bigger one is 4700 mF. And discharge the capacitor first. ISO 4.445 megafarad. You need a reading of this meter. And now see the meter for the weapon, capacitor, and resistor. The weapon is reading is this one. Capacitor is 120.47 and resistor is 4.9987 kΩ. And let's see the capacitor. Capacitor so is 122.8, a little bit over. And let's see the meter in resistor mode. It only in auto mode for the resistor. And let's see. ISO 5.000 kΩ. It a little bit over. Okay, next test. And its continuity lesser than 50 ohm may be B-sound on. And now testing the 50 ohm. Now 50 ohm maybe display 50 ohm and no any B sound on. And now is auto mode 40 ohm. They have a B sound is 40 ohm. Okay, let's see the meter select to the continuity. Now die test mode. Now continuity mode. Now in menu mode. $50 no B sound on. And 40 they have a B sound on. Okay. And let's see the meter in die mode. Now it's in die mode. And let's see the output voltage. Die mode output voltage test. It's so 3.229 watt. And let's see the die mode output light up the LED. Wait, no. Wait, okay. Yellow, okay. Green, okay. Blue, okay. And the white, okay. And let's see the meter test on the die. It shows 0.542 watt. It's okay. Temperature test. It must be use the meter back test it in this one. Wet test it in this. Put in this one. And now it's in auto mode and come with a B sound for the resistor ring by pressing the select key. Select to the temperature sensing mode. Now display is 24 degrees C. And let's see the meter. And Aneng is 24 degrees C. And FOB is 22. And unity is 22.9 degree. And let's see the hot water. In hot water, Aneng is 57, and FOB is 55.7 or 6, and unity is 55.7 degrees C, hot water. And let's see the cool water. And the cool water Aneng display is 15, and FOB is 11, and unity is 15. Need the Aneng reading. Okay, let's see the meter in high temperature. Now The Aneng display is 155. It's not normal and cool down. Its temperature sensor but not very well of this meter and not accuracy in high temperature. Next test. Whole key and flashlight test. Now test on AC. That is 223 watt, and put this with middle. Maybe hold the data. Now hold the data. And put again, maybe disable the whole function. And let's test the DC. Now DC 9.18 watt. Pop the whole key. Now hold the data. And then pulse again, maybe disappear. And long put the middle key, maybe the flashlight on. And the backlight come up of this meter. And the top display on the skin. Long put again, maybe close off the touch flashlight function. Okay, next test. In automobile, this meter minimum is 5 Hz. And this meter minimum frequency is 0.998 or 999 Hz. And this meter in automobile makes about 1.3 kHz mix. And this meter in frequency mode mix is 7.7 MHz. And the duty cycle may be down to 10% or 9 to 9 now. Weapon medium test. And foot is 20 milliamp. And let's see this meter. It must be put in the left side. And the display is 19 and 20. 19 and 20. Not very stable of this meter. Okay, next test. High DC current test. It must be series the cable for testing the current. Now low current. It's so 26 or 270 milliamp. 279. It need a full reading. And see the high current. 1, 2, 3. It's so 10 watt and have a warning sound. 9.9 amp. Okay. Next test. High DC voltage test. $50 watt. If so, 55.56 watt. Need a full reading. 100 watt. If so, 110.9 watt. 250. ISO 274.6 watt. $500. ISO 523.2 watt. Need a foot reading. Make a high test. 1000 watt. ISO 988 watt. And no any warning sound. A little bit under the foot reading. Okay. Next test. Auto power off test. And this meter, when power on, there is in a auto power off function. When not use the meter or no any signal come in, that may be 15 minutes, maybe auto power off. When you want to cancel the auto power off function, first power off the meter. Now power off the meter and press the select key first. And VB come out, and this meter now cancel the auto power off function. Now auto power off function cancel. And when you return the auto power off function, first press off the meter and power on again. There is in auto power off function. Now testing the auto power off function. And the video now may be speed up for testing. Okay. Meter Teardown. Before I open it, they come with a soft case. And a meter. And they have a 4 screw in the back side and a USB charging port and a select key. Okay, before I open it, and let's see the meter. It comes with a 3.7 watt, 1200 milliamp hour battery. And this meter no any shielding. And let's see the meter. They have a ceramic fuse, current sun resistor, a PTC, and a resistor, control relay, crystal, main IC, and EPON, and a buzzer, USB-C charging port, LED, and a LCD driver, and open the power on-off switch. And let's open the meter. See the another side. That is the button side of the meter. And then downside they have a backlight module. That is the backlight module. Let's peel up here. The backlight module and the LCD skin and a contact ribbon on this side, and peel it up for you. Okay, Teardown finished. Power consumption test. Supply voltage is 4.1 watt, and reference voltage is 1 watt. And now we insert the voltage to this meter. It's so 1,000 watt. And let's see the meter in select the function. Die mode. In the NCV mode, they have 0.0161 amp. Live. Temp. Hold. And backlight. And when the backlight on, maybe 0.0485 amp. Okay, next test. And now it's 3.7 watt. When the meter under 3.7 watt, there may be battery logo come out. We test. Now jot down. Now 3.6 watt. 3.6 watt. And battery logo come out. Sorry. The battery logo come out. Battery logo. Okay. When the meter, the voltage running down, 3.3. Now 3.2 also have digit. 3.1, 2.9, 2.8, 2.6, 2.5. Also have a stable reading of 1 watt. 2.4, 2.3, 2.2. That's the speed of the display. About 2.3 watt. Okay, test finished. NCV test. The antenna at the top, and it must be put the select key to the NCV mode. 1 put, 2 put, 3 put. Now in NCV mode, and touch the switch now. It must be touch the switch have a low come out, and make it also have a low come out. It sensitive weight.